Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a table in Lucidchart. All right. So first up, let's go ahead and make a shortcut right here for our tables. All right. So for example, we have shapes right here given flowchart and the standard ones. So we're going to add tables right here. So what we're going to do, so just go ahead and click on more shapes, click on it, or you can just go ahead and press M on your keyboard, M, and the same page will load. So just go ahead and type in table or tables, just like that. Now, once done, go ahead and go to the very bottom and tick on tables. Tick on it, and as you can see here we have the tables and we have the shortcut in here. So what we're going to do is just click on use selected shapes. All right. Now, once done, you can go ahead and drag it to your canvas. Okay. Just drag. Here you have your table. All right. For example, we're going to put it in this area. We're going to make it bigger. Now you can go ahead and add in some rows and columns in here at the right panel. All right. For example, I'm going to add in some column like that. I'm going to add in some rows. Border style right here. All right. Insert, stripping, merge, unmerge, and resize. You can go ahead and add in some tags and emojis as well. All right, just like that. Now, for example, you wanted to select multiple cells right here. Just click on one and hold Control on your keyboard. Now select the other cell. Okay, as you can see here, both are highlighted. I'm going to zoom in, just like that. I'm going to select more, for example, the center right here. Now, if you wanted to select a line or row, click on the first cell, then hold Shift, click on the last column right here, just like that. Okay. Just hold Shift and the row right here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.